I think it's fair to say that here on the nursery we see a growing interest in native plants. And we like that too, because most of the native plants that we have here on the nursery turn out to be really good, tough, hardy, reliable plants that are able to cope with our local conditions. And even better whenever they're able to attract native wildlife too. Take for example this lovely honeysuckle that's called Lonicera Blanche Sandman. Now here's a variety of our native Lonicera sempervirens that, as you see, takes on this really bright orangey color with its tubular flowers. And what we like about it is that it's a good, hardy, reliable grower that has a lot of disease tolerance, but best of all, of course, is these tubular flowers are great for attracting hummingbirds. It's a variety that's hardy to zone 4. It's a really nice, strong growing variety that you could put on an arbor or on a trellis or a pergola or any kind of structure for it to grow up. Just make sure that it's a really sound structure, because this plant can grow as much as 20 foot high. So it needs to be really good, sound structure, and then it'll be able to scramble up and twine around it and produce its flowers that now, as you see, appear in early summer and then keep reoccurring periodically through the summer right into the fall. What's interesting about this particular variety is that it was offered at Blanche Sandman's little backyard nursery in St. Matthews, Louisville, Kentucky. Alan Bush found it there when he was running Holbrook Farms. And after he was growing it for a while, he needed to come up with a name, so he called it after the lady that he found it from. And that's how this lovely variety, Lonicera Blanche Sandman, came about. It's one that we've been growing for years, and we found it to be thoroughly reliable. And that goes back to Alan too, who said that he liked it because it thrived wherever it was planted. So you can be sure that here's a variety that's got all the hardiness, reliability and toughness of a native species, but as you see, also really gorgeous, bright, orangey flowers that attract hummingbirds, and then sets little seeds that other birds are likely to come and feed on in the autumn too. This is Lonicera Blanche Sandman.